This right here is a magnetic door lock. Stick around and see what we're going to do with it. Okay, this right here is the base plate that will mount basically to the door. And this is the magnetic door lock itself. Now, this is, pretty heavy. It's 2 wires. It's a Securitron Magnalock Corporation. It is model 62-12. Voltage is 12 volts DC. Current is 250 milliamps. So this right here, to kind of show you what it does, I have my power supply set up, and I already have my power supply configured at 12 volts, 250 milliamps. Set that off to the side so they don't touch one another. All right, so right here, now I'm going to turn my power supply on. I'm going to turn it back off. Back on. Now I'm going to, that's simple. So, get these leads out of the way, and we'll talk about this. So, what I'm going to do here is this will be mounted in the shop to the door, and the way it's set up and the way the door works is it opens in, and this is usually mounted on the interior of the building or whatever, and it mounts, basically would mount like, say, this way, like to the upper portion of the door, and then this would be mounted to the door. When the door closes, it touches it like that. But being as the door opens in on the shop, this would have to be outside. So I can't do that. That's not a very good idea anyway. So this I will have mounted to the door. I will bolt it all the way through the door, and using flathead bolts. And the only that I don't know what you call those carriage bolts, but they don't have any way of undoing them. Let's put it that way. They're like this. The head on them will be this way, and then it will go through this and bolt inside on the door. Now this right here is simply a plus and minus 12 volt 250 milliamp. As long as this has 12 volts 250 milliamps on it, it's engaged, and this plate will be stuck to it. And this plate, I will have to come up with a way to mount it inside the shop. And what I'll probably do is mount it, I don't know yet. I'll have to figure that out, because I'm just kind of thinking this right here, as with any magnet, would be more, it would be easy to slide it off like this and like this. So a magnet will slide, even a strong magnet will slide away. And the strength of this magnet is it being pulled straight out. And if you'll notice, this right here has alignment pins so that it will stay aligned with this where it's mounted. This bolts into the door. It's got a little rubber bushing so that this can kind of float, so that there's any imperfections in the door, that this will allow it to float and align with this, because it's got to be in flush alignment to work properly. And if it's tweaked, then it'll make it easier to pull away. And so with Being flush mounted like this, you just about can't pull them apart by hand. And so I've got to figure out how I'm going to mount it, because it has to be like this. I can't mount it to where, I really don't know. I may have to come up with something really ingenious or redneck, however you want to look at it, to mount this on the inside with the door opening in. It'd be like mounting one of these on the outside of a building with the door opening out. I don't know. Or maybe I just change my door so it opens out on the shop. Who knows? The possibilities are endless. So anyway, this will be an upcoming video. We'll figure out how we're going to mount this to be functional and useful, and we'll go from there. So anyway, wish that you would stick around with us and see what we're going to have going on here. I would like to ask you, if you feel led to, that you would like and subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. So thank you, and we'll be right back. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.